Amazon CodeWhisperer is a general-purpose, machine learning-powered code generator that provides you with code recommendations in real time. As you write code, CodeWhisperer automatically generates suggestions based on your existing code and comments. Your personalized recommendations can vary in size and scope, ranging from a single-line comment to fully formed functions. CodeWhisperer can also scan your code to highlight and define security issues. Features: get more done faster. CodeWhisperer is trained on billions of lines of code and can generate full-function code suggestions. Bypass time-consuming coding tasks and accelerate building with unfamiliar APIs. Code with confidence. CodeWhisperer can flag or filter code suggestions that resemble open-source training data. Get the associated open-source project's repository URL and license so that you can more quickly review them and add attribution. Enhance code security. Scan your code to detect hard-to-find vulnerabilities and get code suggestions to remediate them immediately. Align to best practices for tackling security vulnerabilities, such as those outlined by Open Worldwide Application Security Project. Security scans. Run Security Scan performs a security scan on currently an active file and its dependent files in the IDE editor. After the scan is finished, security issues in the scan files are highlighted in the Problems panel in the IDE editor. CodeWhisperer's security scan is integrated with Amazon CodeGuru. CodeGuru does multiple layers of filtering before scanning code to ensure that you can focus on the most critical issues. View code references. CodeWhisperer learns, in part, from open-source projects. Sometimes, a suggestion it's giving you might be similar to a specific piece of training data. You can view references to code recommendations that are similar to training data. Turn code references off and on. With the reference log, you can view references to code recommendations. You can also update and edit code recommendations suggested by CodeWhisperer. In some cases, you can, at the enterprise level, opt out of receiving code recommendations. IDEs supported by Amazon CodeWhisperer. CodeWhisperer can be used in the following integrated development environments: Visual Studio Code, Amazon SageMaker Studio, JetBrains, and Jupyter Lab. CodeWhisperer runs in AWS Cloud 9, an IDE offered by AWS as a service. You need an AWS account to use it, and you use it inside your web browser. CodeWhisperer is integrated in AWS Lambda, an AWS compute service. You need an AWS account to use it, and you use it on the AWS Management Console. You can use CodeWhisperer to help you write those functions. Language support in Amazon CodeWhisperer. CodeWhisperer fits the way that you work. CodeWhisperer supports code generation for 15 programming languages. The accuracy and quality of the code generation for a programming language depends on the size and quality of the training data. In terms of the quality of the training data, the programming languages with the most support include Java, Python, JavaScript, and C#.